Welcome to this tutorial on how to use an accountant's copy with QuickBooks 2008. This tutorial is a first of a two-part series and is brought to you by Gerber and Company Inc., CPAs in Century City. To begin, I'll give you a little bit of background on what an accountant's copy is. An accountant's copy is a copy of your QuickBooks for the specific purpose of allowing your accountant to make changes and then allows you to reincorporate just the changes back to your live working environment. It's a far better solution than sending a backup file to your accountant, having the accountant make the changes, then re-sending the backup back to you. Because in that scenario, when using a backup copy, you're unable to use your QuickBooks file during the time that your accountant is making changes, because there's no way to merge changes when sending a backup. An accountant's copy, however, resolves that problem by allowing you both to work on the QuickBooks, you in real time, cutting checks, recording receivables, doing the daily business cycles as you normally would, and your accountant to be making journal entries, cleaning up the books, and then to be able to send you just the changes to reincorporate to your live working environment. Let's begin. Open up your QuickBooks 2008, hit File, Accountant's Copy, Client Activities, and then Send to Accountant. You'll click Next after reading through this brief explanation, and then you'll have to select a dividing date. A dividing date is a date before which the accountant has more control and after which you have total control. It's a date until which your accountant will be making changes. So if you're doing this on a quarterly basis, your dividing date will be the end of the quarter which is being worked on. If you're doing this on a monthly basis, your accountant will need to be able to work all the way through the end of the last month. So in this case, we'll select the end of the last month and we'll hit Next. Here you'll have to enter your accountant's email address, twice your username and your email address, and then you'll select Next. You'll create a strong password. It's got to be at least 7 characters. Alpha, numeric, and capitalization are all required characteristics of this QuickBooks strong password. I'll make it test 1 2 3 4 with a capital T 1 2 3 4. I'll enter a note here. And then you'll hit Send. QuickBooks must close all windows to create an accountant's copy, and you'll hit OK and allow it to do that. Creating an accountant's copy file, please wait. Sending your accountant's file to your accountant using Intuit. Note here that the file is actually being sent from Intuit, not from your email. So your accountant should know to look out for an email being generated from Intuit. And it's a possibility that the email will hit the spam box, so you can just let your accountant know to look out for it, and you'll get a confirmation that the email went through successfully. Your accountant has now received your accountant's copy. You'll be able to continue to use your QuickBooks file as you normally would, with the exception of this accountant's change file pending in the top here. There'll be some limitations on what you can do, especially before the dividing date. Here you can see the accountant's copy was sent, and your accountant will get an email. So we'll go through quickly the email that you received to confirm that the file went through. And here it is. Successful upload is the email that you, the client, received. And then this email is what your accountant will receive. Accountant's file is now available to download. You'll be able to click, the accountant will have to click here, Gerber and Company Test, and that'll automatically download the file. And again, for your information and for your accountant's information, the file is being sent from accountantcopy@intuit.com and is not being generated from your email box, and that's very important to note. That's the conclusion of the first of the two-part series. Continue to use your QuickBooks as you normally would, and when you're ready to reincorporate the changes, please take a look at part 2 of this demonstration series. Thank you again for watching, and again, this is brought to you by Gerber and Company CPAs in Century City. For more information, please call 310-552-1600. Again, 310-552-1600, or email us info@gerberco.com. Thank you very much.